Following a spike in overdoses over the weekend that led to 6 deaths in Dauphin County, Harrisburg began offering a limited supply of Narcan.
Narcan reverses most opioid overdoses. But what are the tools to prevent an overdose in the first place? Taylor Tashev joins us with that tonight. Taylor.
Valerie and Alicia, fentanyl test strips are small pieces of paper that can detect fentanyl in different kinds of drugs. The strips have only been legal in Pennsylvania since January, but some argue the rollout of these strips is too slow. There's growing concern over more and more drugs being laced with fentanyl.
This is a public health crisis in Pennsylvania.
Fentanyl test strips used to detect fentanyl and prevent an overdose were legalized in Pennsylvania in January.
We could pat ourselves on the back for that, but then thinking about ways of accessibility and how are we getting the strips out there in an emergent way, I think that we fell really short on.
Carla Safronsky, executive director of the Pennsylvania Harm Reduction Network, wants to see fentanyl test strips become more accessible.
We need to react swiftly and in an emergent way.
The state says it's working on that.
So it's new and we're doing our best to get product out as quickly as we can, but certainly I think we anticipate that the demand will continue.
The PA Overdose Prevention Program launched last month, offering Narcan and drug checking strips for free.
Yeah, we've already processed and received more than 300 requests through the Pennsylvania Overdose Prevention Program form just about a week and a half into launch. So we know the demand and the need is really high, and our team is working as hard as we can to process those requests and get these much needed supplies out into the community.
That program is primarily geared toward organizations.
We do have a partnership where you can get individual supplies through a mail-to-home program
called Next Distro.
You can also buy test strips online, so you can go to websites like Dance Safe or BTNX. Those are two examples of manufacturers. Individuals can order, in some cases, like actual individual test strips through the website. Fentanyl test strips are also available for purchase on websites like Amazon as well.
And we'll have a link to those resources on our website, abc27.com. Back to you.
Thank you, Taylor.